In this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to convert your gift card to cash on cardlaxy app. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification and like this video. If you have any question, write it in the comment section, guys. And this is how it goes. Go to your Play Store or Apple Store and search for cardlaxy. You can see this is the app I'm talking about, cardlaxy sell gift card. Download this app to your phone, and after the downloading, if it is Apple, go to Apple and search. Go to your Apple Store and search for it. It will bring it up. Download it to your phone, and after the downloading, guys, open this application and it's going to look like this. You can see down here, you can see sign up, guys. Click on sign up. Click on sign up and let's go. Write your name, put your name here and put your Gmail here, and make sure it is functional Gmail, and put your phone number here. Do you understand right now? And the next thing is your password. Put your password here like this. Make sure your password start like this, Godwin, for example. Add number at the front of it and hide any symbol. Do you understand? Hide any symbol. Do you understand right now? After your password, guys, now write your invitation code. Write this invitation code here. Although the invitation code is optional, but the only way you can appreciate me for making this video is to use my invitation code. Use this invitation code, please, guys. And they are going to reward you. They are going to give you a welcome bonus, and also they are going to reward me. That means there's someone show you this application. Do you understand right now? So please use it. And after that, after you have done that, mark this one. I agree to cardlaxy terms and condition. Mark it and click on sign up. Immediately you click on sign up, guys, your account will be registered successfully. Do you understand right now? And right now I'm going to log into my own account and show you how to convert your gift card to cash and how to withdraw your money to your bank account. Now let me log in, guys. Guys, you can see I've logged into my own account right now, and this is my account. I have balance of 2,000 naira on it. And right now, to convert your gift card, this is what you are going to do. You can see sell now, you can see withdraw, you can see sell now. Click on sell now. Do you understand right now? And you can see it pop up. You can select the gift card you want to sell on here. Select it. Let's say you can see it is on Apple card already, and let's say we want to change it to, let's use Steam card. Let's say we want to sell Steam card. And do you understand right now? Now the card balance. Select the card balance. If it is $100, if it is $50, if it is $25, if it is $200. Do you understand right now? And the next thing is to choose the country of your gift card. Let's say US card. If it is UK card, if it is Canada, choose it. Do you understand? And the next thing is to choose this. If it is physical card or e-code. Physical card is a gift card someone purchased at a physical store, and e-code is a gift card someone purchased online on a website. They are just going to send the code to that person's Gmail. That is e-code. Do you understand right now? So don't mix it together. Now the next thing is to upload the gift card, your gift card. Click on upload. Do you understand? Go to gallery. Do you understand right now? Select the image of your gift card like this and hide it. Do you understand right now? And you just go down and click on you can the code of your gift card as well. You can write it here if you want, and click on confirm. Immediately you click on confirm, guys, your card will be converted to cash. It will say success, and your money will be available on your balance like this. The next thing is to withdraw your money. Right now you click on withdraw. Do you understand right now? And you can see my bank is here. Now let me show you how to add your bank as well. Come back here. You can see home, transaction support, me. Click on me. Do you understand right now? And you can see bank account. Click on it. And you can see here add bank account. Click on add bank account. Select the bank you are using. Write your account number there and click on submit. That's all. And come back to home and click on withdrawal. Click on withdrawal. Write the amount you want to withdraw, guys. And after that, click on, you can see it says minimum to withdraw is 10,000. Now after you write the amount you want to withdraw, click on withdraw and confirm your withdrawal, and your money will deliver to your bank account, guys. So this is how to convert your gift card to cash on cardlaxy app, guys. If you have any question, write it in the comment section. I'm going to answer you. Make sure you like this video. Click on the like button to like it, and also share it for more people to see. Do you understand right now? One love, guys.